Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. We have completed 5th chapter, Coal and Petroleum. In this chapter, mainly deals with exhaustible natural resources such as coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. We learn how these fossil fuels are formed and its properties and uses. Hope all you have understood all the content very well. So it's the time to discuss exercise question answer. Children, let's start. So get ready with your textbook. Turn to page number 62. Note down one-word answers in your textbook and copy the long answers into notebook. So first question, what are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? CNG and LPG are used as a fuel to transport vehicles because these are least polluting and cleaner fuels, and they can easily stored and transported. They can transport it through pipeline. They release more energy while burning and also doesn't leave ash while burning. These are the advantages of CNG and LPG. Next question. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. Its answer is bitumen. Third one. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? About 3 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in the low-lying wetland area. Due to natural disasters like floods, this forest got buried under the soil and is covered with clay and soil. Over a million years, absence of air under high temperature, high pressure, this dead vegetation slowly converted into coal. Coal is mainly contain carbon. So, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. It's very important, carbonization. Then fourth one, fill in the blanks. Fossil fuels are dash, dash and dash. Give examples for fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum and natural gas. B. Process of separating of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. C. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is CNG, compressed natural gas. Tick true or false. A. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. So false statement, fossil fuels are natural fuels. It can't made in laboratory. B. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. False statement, CNG is least polluting fuel. C. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. It's a true statement. D. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. It's a true statement. E. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. False statement, kerosene is a fossil fuel, is a product of petroleum. Sixth question, explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. You know that fossil fuels are formed over millions of years by the action of high temperature and high pressure on dead remains of plants and animals. And these fossil fuels are exhausted by human activity. So, fossil fuels are called exhaustible natural resources. Seventh question. Describe the characteristics and uses of coke. Coke is black, porous, tough substance. It's obtained from coal. It's almost pure form of carbon. It can be used as fuel and used in the extraction of many metals. Also used in manufacture of steel. Next question, 8.1. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Petroleum is obtained from the organism living in the sea. When these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of sea. Over millions of years, layers of clay and sand are deposited over them, and these are slowly converted into petroleum. Under high temperature, high pressure, the dead organism slowly converted into petroleum. 9.1. The following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1991 to 1997. Show the data in the form of graph. Plot the shortage percentage for the years on the y-axis and the year on x-axis. Here a table is given below. This is information of year and the fuel shortage at a particular year. We can draw by plotting year on x-axis and percentage shortage on y-axis. Then you will obtain a graph. So this chapter is over. Exercise question answers also discussed. Hope all you have understood all question answers. Now it's your turn. Get in or store all the content. I have attached exercise question answers and also test paper. It's your duty to attend the test paper. I have provided a URL. Please watch it. So we will meet in the next session. Children, till then take care. Thank you.